Andito tayo ngayon sa camping! This is a cat flashlight review. Oh, oh! Good morning! Andito tayo ngayon sa camping! O, diba? Hindi tayo ginabi. Kasi half a day lang si Mushi nagtrabaho ngayon. Hindi naman ako makapag-vlog kasi Cookie kahol ng kahol. Eh si Cookie oh. Ano naman? Pakinggan natin yung tubig. Napaka high pressure talaga yung tubig dito. Pakinggan nyo.
Leave the unit on the tennis court on tank. What's on the tank? What's on the tank?
High pressure talaga yung tubig. Pag ganito na yung season, summer na no, busy na rin yung mga insekto na magparami. Kaya ayan, may mga itlog-itlog kasi busy na yung mga insekto magparami. Diba? Meron din ditong mga damo na kamukha siya ng grapes. At hindi naman maipagkakaila, diba? Ayan, kamukhang-kamukha talaga siya ng grapes. At nagsisibula na rin yung may mga berries. Ayan o, red berries para sa mga ibon. Napakaganda ng shape ng ano na to. Alam ko sa acorn family to eh. Itong puno na to. Ayan, ang ganda ng shape ng dahon niya. Ito hindi ko alam, tong damo na to, bakit ganito nag-ano sila nung parang bula. Ayan, tapos ito pa yung iba. Meron ding mga parang bula. Pag uwi ko, i-research ko kung bakit. Tapos na tayo kumuha ng tubig. Punta na tayo sa campsite. Yeah. Naku, dumi na naman ni Cookie. Kaliligo niya lang kahapon, madumi na naman siya. Meron tayo ditong little helper. Ang bait naman niya. Pagka maliwanag talaga, napakabilis mag-set up, sabi ko sa inyo. Kasi maliwanag, pabor sa'yo, di ba? Ganon. Ay, naku. May batang mabait dun, oh. Naku, parang ang bait-bait. Bagong Lego lang yan kagabi. Bagong Lego lang, pero tingnan mo, masasabi mo ba yung bagong Lego? Ay, ang bilis magdumi. Oh. Cookie. Ang bilis talaga ni Cookie magdumi. Hmm? Ang lambot-lambot ni Cookie. Sobrang lambot mo pala, Cookie. Napakalambot mo, Cookie. Ano ang nasa loob ng mahiwagang storage? Tada! Storage tour! So they can see my lovely outfit!
Your fancy Eddie Bauer blanket. Here, give me the blanket.
Cookie's watching what I'm up to. Oops.
It's okay. Way more that way.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good.
So open the... Look at Cookie. Even the top?
The top has to be vertical.
Look at Cookie. Cookie! And I'm gonna move this, okay?
Yeah, you can move it.
Now.
Turn on lights or something. Huh?
Turn it on.
What do you mean?
None of them is on.
You gotta turn the light on. It doesn't light up unless you actually turn it on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Which one are you doing?
Can I do them both at the same time?
No, don't do both at the same time.
Go on the side.
Hey, kitty.
Yeah.
Push it extend again. Because you brought it in again.
No, I did not. See? It's all the way.
No, but it went out and I saw it come back in.
I'm putting it in. Now out.
Here, let go. Here, let go. Okay.
No, I'm gonna do the awning. This is second time. I'm gonna do it, okay? You film it?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, good.
All good.
Boys, grab water, please, here.
Go turn on the refrigerator.
Yeah, I will.
Turn on the refrigerator.
Okay, can I just bring my things
Okay, give it to me, honey. This is second moshi. I'll just put this in. Grab water, please.
And this.
Okay, grab water, please.
Parchment.
The water is just, Ponchi, can you tell them where the water is,
You know
please?
where it is.
No.
Right there.
At finally, nandito na tayo. Diba? Mas maganda na ngayon kasi marami nang nagtubuan. At ayan ang itsura ng dining area kapag ka walang mga bagay-bagay. Diba? Tapos etong sweater namin ni Mushi ay naiiwan lang dito. Pati itong outfit ni Cookie. Kasi nagpapanggap si Cookie minsan na tigre siya. At itong robe ng mga bata. Yung kuhanan ng tubig, doon lang, dyan lang sa may gilid. Walang walang nagka-camping ngayon. Mas maganda na talaga tignan, oh. Ay, ang daming yung insektong, anong tawag dito? Yung insektong, pag nagda-drive ka, yung mga insektong nagdidikitan sa bintana. Yun. So, ngayon, ibibigay na sa akin ni Mushi yung mga gamit para malagay ko na sila. So, eto palang TV. Gusto namin maglagay ng mas malaking TV. Ang problema ay yung mounting wall. Yung dito, yung dinidikitan dito. Kasi ang mangyayari, kung gusto naming maglagay ng TV, kailangan yung dinidikitan niya ay nandito. Hindi naman masyado namang magastos o baka magka-problema pa kapag inano namin, 'di ba? Kaya tama na yung ganyang TV. Pakaganda kapag lahat nagtubuan na talaga. I-on na natin tong fridge. So, number 7. So, habang hinihintay kong ibigay sa akin ni Mushi yung mga gamit, ay mag-aalikabok muna ako kasi maalikabok yan. Maalikabok din dito. At maalikabok din dyan. At dito. So, maglinis muna ako. Yeah.
Oh, is this gonna be voice recorded?
Why?
Just wondering.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Just a second, I'll just wipe everything, okay?
I don't want to disturb your vlog.
Okay, thank you, hon. And let's start! Grabe, ang alikabok. I turned it on, yeah. You haven't given me things.
Yeah, hold on. It doesn't matter. The fridge is very cold. I mean, that fridge is cold. Which is model number of.
Pakita ko sa inyo, ito yung magnetic flashlight namin. So, may magnet siya rito. Napakaganda kapag ang flashlight mo, ay patayin ko muna. Pag ang flashlight mo ay pwedeng i-hook kahit saan. What brand is this, Cat? I think we bought this at Costco, am I
Costco,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, we bought this at Costco. It was 2 in a pack. So, it's really good because, like, a review.
It's like a floodlight.
Yeah. So, this is a cat flashlight review. It is really handy because you can hang this on anywhere. Like if you're let's say you're camping, just like us, and you want to be outside and it's dark and you can hang it on trees and anywhere, see? And then you can like move it wherever you want it to be facing. Like you want it to face there, you want it to face here, you want it to face over there, you can move it. And then the button is over here on the bottom. There. And it's awesome because it's magnetic. See that? Ta-da! Magnetic. So it always stays over there. It never falls because it's magnetized. Ta-da! There. We hardly use this the last time we went camping because this is an electric site. Or we did not use it all. We did not, right?
My feet haven't breathed in a while.
I'm gonna remove this. This was
Can I
a
have a
reminder, and I'm gonna remove it.
Can I have a brownie?
Brownie. We're about to eat pizza.
Yeah.
We're gonna go out and then buy pizza.
Yeah, we can put it somewhere else. For my feet can finally breathe. Hey, mommy.
Yeah.
Do you know where that little hook is for my kit?
What?
The yellow one at the very start of the trip. Hold me.
Oh,
Do you know where that is?
it's in the car.
We're in the car though.
I think where we put the pop.
Just right beside where that pop is.
Ta-da!
Oops, I shouldn't have done that.
I'm gonna clean.
Okay, here's the food.
Yeah. Oh, here's the food. So let's see what we're putting in the freezer this time. Let's see what we are gonna be putting in the freezer this time. Ay. So here we have Reese's. See? In Philippines, we have ice candy. So this is the version of the ice candy. So it comes in different flavors and it's really good.
Okay, those buns are not squishy.
Oh, the other ones. Oh, okay. So we bought this buns because I always watch Attic Live. And I have this buns. And we have yogurt. I cook spaghetti because there's a celebration that's gonna be happening. What is it? So I cook spaghetti. Spaghetti goes there. And the buns. Yogurt.
Where's my shooters?
Milk. Because we are Canadian, the milk is in here. Oh, frozen food. This one is really good. Pork and Chinese steak. Pogo. This one is a gyoza. And we have the iced tea. Lance, where's your eye mask? This is the only eye mask. You forgot?
Oh, I don't mind using that one.
Okay. Okay.
I don't mind using that one. I just prefer the other one.
Can someone come to the door, please?
Hey, Lincoln, open the door for Mushy, please.
Really?
Whoa. Don't treat it like you own it, okay?
Ta-da!
Yeah, this is.
So let's see what we have for food.
Note that you have taco meat without tacos.
Are you serious?
No taco stuff.
So this is actually Cookie's food. So, I just use the container. So if you want collagen, by the way, this is a really good collagen. It doesn't taste anything at all. If you put this in your coffee, in your smoothie, it does not taste like, it's like there's no yucky taste. Like you don't really notice it's existing. And we have Mr. Noodles. Corned beef. We got Spam! What? We got Spam? Wow, we got spammed. We got spammed. Indomie, yum, bananas, and unfortunately, I pack beef taco filling, but I totally forgot the tacos. So I have a ready-made coffee. That is really good. Cookie is very protective of us. Look at her. You want to go out? You sure? You go.
Three, two, one.
It's so handy to have a duffel bag. It can you can put a lot of stuff in it. So like you're not taking out like one by one. Everything is there. So it's the boys' clothes, my clothes, their Crocs, our vitamins. And I'm gonna put it, ta-da! That is the boys' loom. They just learned how to loom this week in school. Ta-da! Oh, there's Mushy. See? He's making Lincoln's bed. Hey, Mushy, take a video of me in Lincoln's bed.
How you gonna get out?
So this is Lincoln's bed, and this is how it looks like if you're sleeping.
Are you fully stretched out? No, you're he's your bent.
Okay, I'm gonna fully stretch out.
There you go. I've slept in here too. It's one night the boys couldn't sleep, and I slept in here.
Oh!
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
What they should have done? They should have put a second, because it's actually nice.
A second what?
A second window, like a screen door type of thing.
Yeah. Well, you get the window, but
Yeah, or we should just buy Lincoln a screen. Okay? So during summer, he can just like have it open in the afternoon.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it's something. Yeah, that's a great idea. I have all these great ideas in my mind, and then I tell my husband about it, and then he makes it come true. So I'll give him an idea to buy me a cyber truck. There's a monster.
Cookies right there.
Oh, there's a monster.
Oh, you being left alone?
No, I said no.
She's underneath, totally underneath the trailer, eh?
Yeah. We're gonna put the clothes here now. What's in here? Oh, we always have this sleeping blanket just in case of emergency. So I'm gonna start unpacking now. Tignan nyo tong puno na to mula nang huli tayong nag-camping. Tignan nyo ang pagbabago. O, diba? Punong-puno na siya ng dahon. Impermanence. Everything is constantly changing inside and outside. At tignan nyo rin tong dito sa carpet. Oh, not carpet. Sa may campfire. Naalala nyo ba? Ayan na. Lahat nagtubuan na talaga. Ibang-iba na ang itsura kapag nagulat nga ako nung dumating kami dito. Ibang-iba na yung itsura, lahat nagtubuan na. Napakaganda talaga. Iba na alala niya, nagpunta tayo ng beach. Dito tayo dumaan. Oh, punong-puno na siya ng berdeng dahon. Tignan niyo tong area dito. Naalala niyo nung nakaraan? Wala pa yung mga yan. Ngayon punong-puno na ang berdeng dahon. At nakikita niyo ba yan? Ano yan? Naku, ano to? Naku, ano yan? Ay, si Cookie pala. Naku, si Cookie pala to. Ito pala ang bata. Ay, bakit ka nandiyan dyan? Dudumi ka na naman, Cookie. Gusto kong linisin to kasi punong-puno ng ilapit natin. Mga insekto kapag ka nagda-drive ka. Ayan lalo na pag mga malalaking hindi na yan insekto, parang ng ibon ata yan. Diba? Try kong linisin. What did you say?
This is half charge.
Oh, someone's passing. Go on the side, boys.
So this is the maximum one. Overcharge. And she's got a big grape on there. And so station with peace.
始まり